Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. I am currently sitting in the parking garage of Ikea. It is Saturday. I decided to just get up and just do some things for me today. It's been a week and I just needed to get out the house and just treat myself and just do something for me. And I've been needing to come to Ikea for a while, and so that's what we're gonna do. This is what I really needed to come here for. So let's just hope I can get it in this basket. Alright y'all, I made it back to my car. And those are just the nightstands. I can only imagine. I'm gonna probably have to bring one of my boys back with me when I get ready to come get the matching dressers, because it's two boxes for one nightstand. So I can only imagine how many packages are for the dressers. But finally got it. So I'm gonna do a quick haul. I did get me a slice of pizza. I was gonna go to Yard House, but I'm not feeling it right now. I'm about to show you guys what I got real quick. I'll put a picture up of the nightstands, the ones that I got. But I know I didn't get a lot of footage of me in there because it's Saturday and it's crowded in there. But I did show you guys like the plant section, because if you don't know, I love plants. I have over 50 plants in my house, so that's one of the sections that I always like to look at and hit up when I come to Ikea. And with that being said, listen, baby girl had to come home with me. I've been wanting one of these plants for forever, and I finally got her. So, and then I just got this little pot that comes with the drainer to put her in for right now. But yeah, she's already making babies, so she's gonna go home with all of her sisters. I said to myself, men can be plants too, so I'm gonna start giving some of my plants men names. But the other stuff that I got was just stuff that I needed for the house. If you have not started an emergency stash for your house, you need to start, seriously. So with that being said, I ended up getting these, and I'll stick up the prices on the screen. But I got these because not only are they good for lights, if the lights go out, but also for cooking. If you have the pan, the little muffin pan, you can stick these inside the cup of the muffin pans, light them, and use that to cook on. So although I do have a gas stove, you never know. So I did get a pack of these. I want to say they were $5.99, but again, I'll put the price on the screen. Then I needed one of these. This is a paper towel holder. I just needed something to put in my bathroom, so I got this one. I also, for my bathroom, needed a new toilet brush cleaner, so I got that. And then I love to get these from Ikea as well when I come. but you get a pack of 25. This is oh it's 2 sizes in one box, I guess. This is a 1 quart and a 3 quart, so you get 25 of each. And then in this box, this is a 5 quart and a 6 quart in this size, this box. So I always like to get those. They come in handy. Then I got this little smasher. I needed one of these. I thought I had one, but I didn't, so I got one of these. And I needed another one of these because my other ones are getting old. And then finally, I got me a garlic press because I want to start pressing fresh garlic versus using the minced garlic and stuff like that. So, but yeah, that was all that I got. I did get a cinnamon roll because they have the best cinnamon rolls. But my main thing for coming here was those nightstands. And I just ended up picking up this stuff also while I was here. So, but yeah. I went to BJ's already. I don't have to do that this weekend. I went Thursday. So that's done. I didn't do a haul of it. I did get some stuff that I don't normally get, but I didn't do a haul of it, sorry. But yeah, I'm about to head home because I have a lot of stuff to do at home. I was trying to give my brain a break and doing something other than work and home. So me getting out, that was part. Show you guys a few of my newest plants. This is a prayer plant that I got from Lowe's. It's been about 2 months now, but she has bloomed really big. This is another one that has gotten huge, well, tall, because when I bought it, it was in like a little small container. So it's growing. And then this one I just got from Publix. It was only like $4. No, maybe $6. They had buy one, get one. So I just got the one plant, but she is doing well. She was smaller than this. I actually just got her 2 weeks ago, I think, and she's already started to bloom and spread. So I got my cinnamon roll, and I'm going to sit here and rest my ankle for a minute. So to be honest, y'all, I really want to go hang out in my family room. Like, that sofa is so comfortable that I know if I'm down there, I'm gonna go to sleep, and the things that I need to do are out of sight, out of mind while I'm down there, and it won't get done. So if I sit up here in my recliner chair, at least I'll be still in the midst of the things that I need to do, because I have a long list of things to do. I know I'm not gonna get it all done in one day. I need to do at least something, but I also need to rest. All right, y'all, it's later on in the day, and I know I told y'all I had went to BJ. This is 2 of the things that I had got that I haven't tried before, but I love veggie spring rolls, and I've never tried these, so I'm gonna try these right now. This just says to put them in the oven or put them in the microwave, but I think I'm gonna put them in the air fryer. But these, I'm gonna just do it on top of the stove. It is 11:07. This is the progress that I have gotten. This is just the first one. These actually sit up higher than I thought, but I don't care. I wanted to have something bigger. But I did not start this until after 9 o'clock. So, but yeah, this is where we are. All I have to do now is build the drawers. I'm not gonna try to tackle the other one tonight, but yeah, I've been trying to do something. This is the nightstands completed. Well, this is one side, and I had my plants over here, but as you can see, there's not a lot of space. So this is where all of my plants are. That's in my room. Well, I have one that's over on the other side, but this is where my plants are, and this is my newest baby. She is here. Y'all, this Sunday, and I've been chilling. I gotta wash my work clothes, and I put that other nightstand together. Cleaned up my room a little bit. I still gotta fold my clothes and throw some more stuff out. But I've been chilling. I just felt the need to just rest. I don't know. I need the rest. But the back of my mind won't let me rest because I know I have a lot of stuff to do. So, but I did take a PTO day tomorrow, so, because it's my son's first day of college, so I'm going to take him. I'm going to take him and pick him up. But why am I speaking to you about all of this? So I'll have a day to just do some things that I didn't do today. Currently at the washer, because I am not about to tell my own personal washer to wash my rugs, my washable rugs. They are at size 8x10. But luckily I was able to get both of them in one washer here. So I just dropped my son off for his first day of college. So that's exciting. Took today off just so I could take him and pick him up for the first day and get some other stuff done. So the joy of having my rug cleaned. I was cleaning it with my carpet cleaner, but this darn washer cleaned it. I'm just gonna have to take it at least once a month. But this washing it in the washing machine made this roll look brand new. Oh my goodness. I cannot believe this. I accomplished everything that I set out to do today, except for one thing. I found curtains for my room that matches my duvet, finally. I wanted to put them up, but y'all, when I got off work, my part-time job, I came home, I ate me some of those spring rolls. I ended up mopping with my Swiffer mop just so I could get those rugs put back down, put the rugs down, folded 2 loads of clothes. I've showered, and I'm tired. I got over 11,000 steps today, and I am tired. I am so tired. So these won't get put up in this video, but my room is giving hotel vibes now. I don't know. Something about these nightstands that I just got. I can't wait to get the other 2 pieces. It just updated my room. For some reason, I just feel like I have a new room just for those 2 pieces. But then when I put my curtains up, because these shears are not, they are putting too much sun in my room. Oh my goodness. I don't want to leave my room. I don't want to leave my room. But I guess that's a good thing, that I have a space that I love and I want to chill out in. That's what I'm trying to make my whole house feel like, and it's slowly coming to that. But I still have some things that I need to do. Plenty of things that I have to do. It's always something to do in a house. But with that being said, I'm closing out this video. I know I probably got all kinds of footage that I'm gonna have to just combine together to make something out of a video. But if you made it to the end, I thank you for being here and supporting me. And I will chat with you all. Please leave me a comment or something. Like my video, hype it up. Let me know that you will stop by. Show me some love. That's how you can show me some love. If you really care and you really love me, hit the like button. Hype me my video up. Something. Leave me an emoji if you don't want to say nothing else. God bless.